We've now all seen the wheels that Wheelmania had specially made for this build, and they look incredible. I just hope they're gonna fit. But it wasn't fitting the wheels that was the problem. It was getting the old ones off.
Oh, that's tight.
With the old ones off, will the new ones go in place? Oh, I knew we should have gone down a side. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Bang on.
Wheels, perfect fitment, but we didn't have the all clear just yet. The wheel was catching on the front of the body kit. You reckon?
Moment of truth, let's find out.
You can just see the tyre catching on the side skirt there. If the car sits lower when we start it, we think we might have the clearance. I feel like that's got to go lower, innit?
Loads.
Yeah. Do you reckon that's going to work? Should we try it?
I really hope this works because these wheels look insane. I just want them to fit so bad. Come on.